Hey guys, so today we're going to continue working on the DAV.js redesign task. In the meanwhile, I created tasks for each of us with the intention of taking parts of that list of goals that we have. So that's that for today.
I'm still synchronizing the Parity wallet. It's taking it's endless synchronization. Anyway, in the meanwhile, I will start to work on the task which is supposed to result in the document that you talked about. I will define the list of what we need to do in order to achieve my part in this, and that's it for now.
Hi guys. So my part in the research, I will add to the document things like how we can integrate the missions to the mission control, how we can create CI and tests for the SDK.
So I need to do some fixes in the captains to make all the environment variables in the constructors. The second it's to make each vehicle or each DAV identity to support multiple captains or multiple stations.
Okay, great. Yo.
Yeah, so yesterday I completed the two proposals for two prospects, vehicle manufacturer companies, and today go away. And today I'll start working in preparation for after the token sale, so homepage changes that are needed, and this is it. Bye.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I focused on KYC and helping people who had questions about participating in the token sale. Today I'll be continuing with that, of course, but I'll also be revisiting our CRM system to make sure that we know how to document the kinds of relationships and all of the information about our contacts so that we can most efficiently reach out to people moving forward. So it's been a little while since I took a look at that. I'm going to go back and make sure we understand how to do it. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday the main focus was making sure that we have the content plan back on track, so essentially getting our content cadence back in line, working with our freelancer on that so that we have great thought leadership pieces, a new series we're going to be pushing out, also working on new website design and features after the token sale, so did some good work on there as well, and also did a good amount of work with our attorney on an upcoming announcement. Today was more work on that announcement, pretty much built out the entire strategy as it pertains to the different messaging that's going to go out across all the different channels. So stay tuned. We have a very exciting announcement for everybody in the next few days. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.
Hey there, Davers. So recently we discussed about changing the DailyDAV opener and generally changing and reconceptualizing the DailyDAV itself. So yesterday I started visualizing how it's going to be and kind of understanding what I want. Today I finalized and released a blockchain meetup at Google Campus, so it's up and running. You can check it out right over here. Then I edited the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the day I'm going to continue working and planning the new DailyDAV. So stay tuned.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. Today I did some KYC efforts, then I submitted two proposals to two car companies. Really exciting stuff. And tomorrow, me, Rachel, and Adar are going to a big employer event to see and scout some potential employees for us. That's about it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today I'll finish our two beautiful pages for our company. After then I'll make few changes in our homepage. Also I'll make several new banners. And after then I'll make new banner for conference in Tel Aviv. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.